welcome back home. Take a deep breath and let the world outside slowly fade away as you find your center in this very special, quiet moment. In these 8 minutes, we are embarking on a sacred journey together to reconnect with the most pure and innocent part of your soul today. This inner child has been waiting for you for a very long time, patient and hopeful, ready to be seen, heard, and deeply loved by you. Feel the air filling your lungs, bringing life and presence to every cell of your body as you prepare to enter your own inner sanctuary now. Our 21-day journey of transformation starts with this simple step, a commitment to your own peace and the rebuilding of your internal foundation and strength. Everything you need is already within you. Let us begin this process of rediscovery with an open heart and a mind full of gentle compassion today. I see you, my child. I see you, my child. I acknowledge your presence and I am here to listen to every word you say. I see you, my child. I see you, my child. You are no longer invisible to me, for I am looking at you with pure love. I accept every single emotion that you have been forced to suppress for so long. Every tear and every fear is now safe with me here. I accept every emotion that you have been forced to suppress. You don't have to hide anymore, for I am your safest place to land. I am here to protect and love you unconditionally. I am here to protect and love you unconditionally, now and forever, without any single judgment. I am here to protect and love you unconditionally. My arms are always open, and my heart is a permanent home for your precious spirit. Like a seed in the earth, your inner light is beginning to stir and grow, reaching for the warmth of the sun and the soft rain. We are nurturing the garden of your soul, removing the weeds of doubt, and planting the flowers of self-compassion and gentle kindness in their place. Every breath you take is a message to your inner child that they are safe, they are wanted, and they are finally coming back home. The journey might be long, but every step is filled with grace. Allow yourself to be guided by the soft rhythm of your own beating heart. You are walking toward a version of yourself that is whole and healed. Trust the process, trust the timing, and trust your own inner wisdom. Look into the mirror of your soul and see the beauty that has always been there, even through the storms and the shadows of yesterday. You are light, you are peace. You are the observer of your story, and today you are choosing to write a chapter of profound healing. I release the wounds that no longer belong to me. I release the wounds that no longer belong to me, letting them wash away now. I release the wounds that no longer belong to me. I am choosing to let go of the pain I have carried for far too long. I forgive myself for the mistakes of my past. I forgive myself for the mistakes of my past, knowing I did the best I could. I forgive myself for the mistakes of my past. Each error was a lesson, and I am grateful for the person I have become. I choose to let go of the burdens I have carried for too long. I choose to let go of the burdens I have carried today. I choose to let go of the burdens I have carried for too long. My shoulders are light, and my soul is finally at rest. I deserve to be at peace right now. I deserve to be at peace right now, in this very second, without any conditions or rules. I deserve to be at peace right now. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and I receive them gladly. Watch the ripples of your old stories disappear. You are clearing the path for a new way of being, a new way of living freely. Open the windows of your heart and let the light in. The darkness of the past is fading as you step into the truth. Forgiveness is not for them, it is for you. It is the key that unlocks the cage you have been living in for years. Break the chains of old patterns. You are no longer defined by what happened to you, but by how you choose to heal today. Your resilience is your superpower. You have survived the winter, and now it is time for your soul to bloom once again in spring. Color your world with the shades of your own choosing. You are the artist of your life, and your palette is filled with hope. Fly towards the horizon of your new self. You are lighter now, unburdened by the weight of old grief and the shadows of the past. I am my own safest home. I am my own safest home. Within the walls of my heart, I find a sanctuary of peace. I am my own safest home. I am my own safest home. No matter where I go, I carry my peace and security with me. I trust in my own wisdom and intuition. I trust in my own wisdom and intuition. My inner voice is clear and guiding me. I trust in my own wisdom and intuition. I listen to the whispers of my soul and follow the path that feels most true. My inner strength is growing every day. My inner strength is growing every day. I am becoming more resilient with every single breath I take. My inner strength is growing every day. I am anchored in my own power, and I stand firm in the truth of who I am. I am radiant and complete in my own way. I am radiant and complete in my own way. My light shines bright for all to see. I am radiant and complete in my own way. I do not need to change for anyone, for I am enough exactly as I am. Your internal compass is now aligned with your highest self. Trust that you are moving in the right direction, guided by love and truth. You are building a house of light within your mind. Each brick is a kind thought, and every window is a new perspective on life. The library of your soul is filled with stories of courage. Read them often, and remember the hero that has always lived inside of you. Everything is connected. Your healing ripples outward, touching everyone you meet with the same grace and kindness you have given to your own self. The child and the adult are now one. You are a complete being, harmonizing the innocence of the past with the wisdom of the present. Love is the foundation of your new home. It is unshakable, unbreakable, and infinitely patient, supporting you through all the seasons of your life. Surrender to the flow of your own life. You no longer need to fight the current, for you have learned how to swim with grace. You hold the key to your own happiness. It was never lost. It was simply waiting for you to be ready to use it again. Let your smile be the light that guides others. Your healing is a gift to the world, a testament to the power of the human spirit. You are grounded. You are secure. You are a mountain that cannot be moved by the winds of opinion or the storms of external change. Release your intentions into the universe. They are heard, and they are already manifesting in the quiet corners of your daily reality and life. Thank you for being present here with me. You have done a wonderful job today, and your inner child is smiling because of you. Carry this softness into your world. Let it touch your words, your actions, and your thoughts as you move through the rest of your day. Remember that healing is a practice, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you navigate the beautiful layers of your own internal landscape. I will be here tomorrow, waiting to continue this journey with you. Each day we build a stronger bridge to your true, authentic, and peaceful self. Commit to these 21 days of transformation. Your future self will thank you for the courage you are showing in this very moment today. See you again tomorrow. Until then, stay in your heart, breathe into peace, and walk with the gentleness of a soul that is healing. Love and peace to you always. You are cherished, you are whole, and you are finally, truly, and beautifully free. Namaste.